I look like a real human, isn't it? But I am not. AIVERSE has created me. If you also want to create your own AI talking avatar like me, watch this video till the end.
In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing tool through which you can create such great videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the name of this tool is Wondershare Virbo, and this is the website. You will get the link in the description below. And these are some of its features like AI avatar, AI voice, AI script writing, video translation, and talking photos. This tool is available on Windows, and you can even use it online or on your mobile device. So here we have two options. You can download this on your computer or use this online. I am going to use it on my PC, which I have downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you will have this interface, and here you can see we have some avatars. So this is a complete list of avatars, and this is a list of almost 300 plus avatars. Not only that, you can even choose avatars based on your profession or according to the field in which you want to make videos. And here you see avatars from every region like the Japanese, Chinese, and Indian characters as well. So you can select as per your preference. But if you want to generate the video that you saw at the beginning of this video, you have to click on this fixed background. And here you can see we have a male character and a female character in different clothing. So I will use this template to start generating your avatar. Click on the create video, and you can also select the aspect ratio from here. I am going to select the portrait with a 9:16 ratio. So here we have our character, and here you can type a script in a text. And if you have any audio file, you can also upload that, or even extract the audio file from your videos and use it. This tool also provides you with an option to record your voice. Let's say I'm going to go with the text script, and inside the text script, we have the AI script option. So, if you don't want to type your script, you can try this AI script option, which will create an entire script for you, with just a small idea. Let's say, what does women's love about men? And on the right side, you can see we have the option to select the tone of what way you want the AI to write your script. So I'm going to go with the engaging option, and here you can see it generated a complete script for us. So you can copy the script and paste it here. But I would like to create my own script. Hey there, it's Sarah. This is a demo video created by AIVERSE to showcase you the ability of this AI tool. If you want to create an AI avatar like me, you can check out AIVERSE. On the right-hand side, you also have the option to adjust the speed, pitch, or even the volume of the video. So here we have the option to select the voices. It has over 300 voices, and you can even classify these voices based on the language. So here we have the 40 plus languages that you can choose from. But I'm going to go with the English, and the gender will be female, right? And now you can see we have female voices in the English language with different accents, like the Australian accent, American accent, UK accent, and even Indian accent. And you can get the preview by clicking on this play button. You can listen to the preview and select your favorite one. So I'm going to go ahead with the calm and universal voice. And on the right side, you have the option to change the background according to your choice. We have all of these backgrounds, so if you want to change this, you can go and select the one which you want to go with. You also get the option for background music, so you can upload your file, or here we have a complete list of music library, but I would like to keep it to default. And then we also have the option to choose the preview style of our avatar, like full body view, half view, and so on. We also get the option to enable or disable the subtitles, or you can even customize the subtitles to make your video more appealing. You can access all these features from the top menu as well. So after everything is done, you can have a preview of your generated video by choosing the preview option, or simply export the video. Okay, so once the video is ready, you can find your videos under the My Creation section. But in the free plan, you can see there is a watermark in the generated video, but don't worry, we can easily fix that in Canva. Okay, log into Canva, and from the design section choose the Instagram Reel option. As we have created our video in the vertical format from the preview area, you will get an option on the left-hand side to upload a video. Simply upload the video that we generated. Now from the top menu, choose the crop option and adjust the video so that the watermark is not visible. Okay, so the watermark is hidden. Now download the video. Let me show you a preview.
Hey there, it's Sarah. This is a demo video created by AIVERSE to showcase you the ability of this AI tool. If you want to create an AI avatar like me, you can check out AIVERSE.
You can even go to the template library here. You can find more than 300 or 400 templates that you can use for the news to do a product showcasing or social media marketing. And you need to just go and pick your template from here. In the free plan, you will be able to generate 2 minutes long video, and it's enough to test the ability of this AI tool. And once you find the value in this AI tool, you can upgrade to their premium plan, and it offers you 3 different plans, so you can pick any one of them according to your need. You guys can find the link in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. So that's it from this video. I hope you learned something new, and if you guys did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.